Sound Transit is a public transit system servicing King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties that own and operates ST buses, Link Light Rail, and the Sounder train. So what is Stride BRT? Stride is a new bus rapid transit service, which is a fast, frequent, and reliable bus service uniquely designed for quick arrivals and departures. Currently, we are busy designing the Stride system as part of Sound Transit's larger effort to create a regional transit network. Once completed, Stride will provide 3 lines, S1, S2, and S3, which will connect the communities along I-405 from Burien to Bellevue, Bellevue to Linwood, and along SR 522 from Shoreline to Bothell. Riders of all lines will have convenient connections to Link Light Rail and local bus services. Stride will use the first ever Sound Transit fleet of battery electric buses, helping Sound Transit reach our goal of fully carbon-free emissions. What can I expect from Stride? Stride buses arrive every 10 to 15 minutes, 19 hours a day. Current service between Bellevue and Burien takes about 55 minutes, and the new Stride S1 line will cut the time down to 38 to 42 minutes. Current service between Bellevue and Linwood takes about 53 minutes. The Stride S2 line will cut the time down to about 33 to 38 minutes. During peak morning travel times, current service between Bothell and Shoreline takes about 69 minutes. The S3 line will cut the time down to 34.5 minutes. The S3 line will connect riders to Link Light Rail at the Shoreline South and 148th station to the S2 line in Bothell. It will also connect to other transit services provided by Sound Transit, Community Transit, and King County Metro. With new business access and transit lanes, BAT, and express toll lanes, ETL, Stride Bus Rapid Transit Service will glide past gridlock on I-405 and SR 522 to connect communities from Shoreline and Linwood to Bellevue and Burien. Some BAT lanes are now open and in use by ST Express and our regional transit partners. We invite you to learn more and take our survey about the coming Stride lines as we move towards construction during our online open house and at our in-person drop-in sessions in March of 2023.